I have a Whirlpool side-by-side model WRS555SIHZ00 and the ice maker has stopped working.
When did you last replace your Whirlpool ice maker's water filter? How old is the ice maker?
Filter 3 months old, refried is 15 months.
How long has this been going on with your Whirlpool ice maker? What have you tried so far?
The last week. I have turned on and off, just tried thawing with a hairdryer and some ice and water came out.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
The float arm has not moved down.
Hello, I would be happy to help you. Does it dispense water?
Thoughts.
Does it dispense water?
The water works but not into the ice maker.
Okay, thanks. Remove the 2 Phillips screws holding the lower panel under the doors, then remove the panel. Then look at the wiring harness as it goes into the bottom of the freezer door to see if any are broken.
Give me a minute.
Okay, thanks. Keep me posted, please.
All looks good.
Okay, thanks. Are there frozen cubes in the actual ice maker, not the container? You will need to remove the container, then remove the 4 screws holding the housing on. Then lift it up and unplug the housing. Also see if the fill tube is frozen up.
Housing being the ice cube tray. You mean the 4 on the back wall under the tray?
Then remove the 4 screws holding the housing on. Then lift it up and unplug the housing. Not under it but behind where the ice bucket would sit.
No ice cubes and the trough for the water coming in is not frozen. Fill tube, trough, is the black tube.
Is it frozen up?
I can see ice using a flashlight about 3 inches back in the tube.
Okay, thanks. You can use a hairdryer to thaw it out.
Really about ½ inch back from where the tube gets solid.
It should work just fine.
Can I turn on the ice maker to test with the cover on?
Yee. Are you still there? If it freezes again, the water valve is faulty unfortunately and will need to be replaced. You will need to order and replace this part number WPW10179146. It is located behind the refrigerator. Are you still there?
I have put all back together but no water to tray yet. I think the valve is faulty. The float arm is up. Is there a way to make the tray cycle?
It may take about 60 minutes to cycle. If it doesn't, the valve is faulty unfortunately.
I'll take a break. Thanks much.
You are welcome. I'm sorry for your trouble. If you need any more information or help, let me know. My username is You Have a Great Day. Please don't forget to rate me. Please give me a good rating. With it being just out of warranty, Whirlpool has great customer service. I would recommend calling them at ###. Most likely they will help you with the cost of this repair. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated.
The ice maker started working after about 2 hours.
Awesome. With it being just out of warranty, Whirlpool has great customer service. I would recommend calling them at ###. Most likely they will help you with the cost of this repair. It may need a valve if it happens again.
Will do, and thanks.
You are welcome.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.